Hey guys, welcome back. We've got a good one for you today. I am at a local KFC restaurant that's located in a large shopping center, and we have to replace an outside hose bib. Doesn't sound very hard, does it? I can't turn the water off unless I shut the entire property down, and that's not going to happen because it's lunchtime. So we got to change this hose bib out hot. If you look closely here in the back of the building, there is a water meter, and there's two water main shutoffs. They're over there. I turned them both off. The meter's not running, but that spigot right there on the wall is tied in before it goes through that meter. The only way to cut that off is to cut the entire building off at a backflow in the front of the property. Right there is that backflow, up there by those guidelines, right there, by that white car. If I cut that thing off, everybody's without water. And being lunchtime, they'll come out and they'll butcher me. So, got to do this hot. See, that spigot just will not stop running. There's the meter, a couple shut-off valves over there. I shut them both off, and this thing is just blasting full pressure. And I've already decided and realized I'm going to get very wet. If you look, I've already got a hose bib ready to go. Teflon tape and it's pipe dope. It's all set to go. And that guy over there, the only thing good going for me is it screws in and out. And the problem is, like I said, I can't turn the water off. We're gonna have to open that thing up full blast, unscrew it, and screw a new one back in. And we gotta wait for these customers to get out of the drive-thru, or else everybody's getting soaked. I've already loosened that up just a tiny little bit, and this is going to suck. And it's Friday, so we'll see how things go. I guess it's as good a day as any. Like I said, it's Friday. I still got some more work I got to go do, so hopefully these clothes dry up because we're getting ready to get soaked. I'm just waiting for the last few people to go through this drive-thru, because once I crack and pull that old hose bib out, everybody in the area is getting wet, especially me. All right, the line's almost clear. We're getting ready to do it. Put your seatbelts on. All right, so we're going to take this hose bib and open up all the way to try to take as much pressure off that, because we're working with 50 to 60 pounds of city pressure coming out here. I'm telling you, if you've never seen something like this or tried something, kids, don't try this at home. I am soaking wet.
Me too.
Holy crap.
All for the love of plumbing, baby. I am soaking wet. It's on there. That's how you do it when it's hot, baby.
Every bit of me is soaking wet. Good thing I live in Florida and it's warm, but man, I'll tell you what, I got absolutely blasted. So don't try this at home. Don't try it unless you know what you're doing and stuff. I had no other choice. There's no way of cutting the water off for all these guys, but success, and I'll dry off and get ready for the next customer. Hey, that's all the time we got for this one. Thanks so much for watching the nonsense. I have to do this from time to time, and that's all part of the game, but it can be dangerous. Just make sure that if you're gonna have to do something like that, don't let that old spigot blow off and hit something or yourself. Make sure you have everything pre-made, ready to go before this happens. It's all part of the game. Thanks so much for hanging out, and don't forget to keep plumbing.